Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5085516, because of these error codes. So if you are receiving one of these errors, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So the first step is to type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy this command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update, so hit pause. Once it is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, we will click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Then make a right click on app readiness, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, find Windows Update, scroll down. At the bottom somewhere you will find Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Once this is done, now you can go back to Windows Update, and if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5085516, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, and check your version. In my case, the version is 25H2. So check your version, then check your system type, so you can go to system and then scroll down, go to about option, and over here check your system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and click on KB5085516, click on it, and then you can run this file. Click on it. Once the download is complete, click on it and then install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option. Here click on recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is complete, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option over here. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.